Water damage moves fast. Within hours, mold starts growing and floors begin warping. What you do right now determines how much of your home can be saved. First priority, shut off the main water valve and cut power to wet rooms at the breaker box. Don't enter standing water with live electricity nearby. Before cleaning anything, document everything. Photograph wide shots, water lines on walls, and damaged belongings from multiple angles. This protects your insurance claim. Don't throw anything away yet. Your insurance adjuster may need to inspect damaged materials before disposal. Save everything until your claim is filed. Avoid running fans, HVAC systems, or space heaters. These can spread mold spores through your home and actually make moisture problems worse. A dry-looking floor can still be soaking underneath. Laminate and engineered wood trap moisture below the surface. Only a moisture meter tells you the truth. Call your insurance company right away. Most policies require prompt notice. Waiting even 48 hours to report can complicate your claim significantly. If the damage covers more than 10 square feet, came from sewage or floodwaters, or smells musty, call a professional restoration team immediately. Professional crews use industrial extractors, air movers, and dehumidifiers to dry wall cavities and subfloors, places a shop vac will never reach. Don't wait and hope for the best. Call Go Agree Restoration of NC at 919-906-5473 for a free estimate.